Hello everyone. Can you explain the nature of Nirvana using words? You can't explain the nature of Nirvana using the limited words in human languages. That is because the words in human languages are giving signs only to the things which are identified by delusionary mind. Up to now, all languages are giving signs according to the eagerness and hatred in delusionary mind. So, to describe the nirvana, we have to introduce new words. But those words can only use if the society is also getting enlightened. Otherwise, normal human mind can't understand. When a human is going through enlightenment process, his or her mind has the ability of describing the responsive balance of eager or hatred in the delusionary mind. That means it can describe things which are no more attracting using past memories. But there are humans who are born with the intention of describing the nature of nirvana. That is for the guidance to other beings. They are developing special skills throughout their planetary journey to accomplish their mission. So, to them, nirvana can explain into some extent.